Good morning students. Today we will do the same chapter money and doing the following topic to find cost price and selling price. In this exercise you will have a table to find SP, but you're not allowed to write down the answer in a table form. You just take each part separately, solve it, then write it in your table. I will do first example. See, in this question, cost price is equals to rupees 1250 and profit is given to you rupees 75. If profit is given, it means there is no loss and you have to find directly selling price. Now profit is given to you. What is the formula of profit? Profit will be equals to SP minus CP. Now which value it given to you? Profit is given to you 75. SP is not given to you. Write SP same here. And cost price is given to you, that is 1250. Now to find the SP, keep SP here and move this CP to the left side. When it moves to the left side, its sign will be changed. Here the sign is minus, but at left side it becomes your plus. Now for finding the SP, you will add it. 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 5 is your 12. 2 is here, 1 is your carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 is 1. This is your SP. Similarly, we will do the second part. Again, cost price equals to rupees 3000. Profit is not given to you. Here, loss is given to you. That is rupees 159. If loss is given, no need to find profit, because at a time a person get either a loss or a profit. Now you have to find the selling price. Now what is the formula of loss? Loss will be equals to cost price minus selling price. Same, write down the value which is given. Loss is given to you 159. Cost price is given to you 3000. SP is not given to you. Write down same here. Now for finding the selling price, you move the selling price here left side so that this minus sign will become the positive sign, and this loss will move to right side, and when it moves to the right side, its sign will be changed and it becomes a minus. Now you will subtract. 9 is not subtracted from 0, so it takes borrow from previous one. It doesn't has any value, so it takes also borrow from previous one. Same, it doesn't has any value, it takes borrow from previous one. It becomes your 2, this becomes your 9, this becomes your 9, and this becomes your 10. Now 10 minus 9 is your 1. 9 minus 5 is your 4. 9 minus 1 is your 8, and 2 is remain. This is the answer. Now come to the next example. In this second question, you have to find selling price is given to you, profit is given to you, profit is not given to you, loss is given to you, and you have to find the cost price. Same, what is given, write down first. SP is given, that is your 500. Loss is given, that is equals to rupees 31. Same, when loss is there, no need to find the profit. There is no profit. Now you have to find the cost price. What is the formula of loss? Loss will be equals to CP minus SP. Write the value of each. Here loss is equals to 31. Cost price is not given to you. Write cost price same here. And selling price is given to you 500. Same, for finding the CP, you will move this SP to the left side. When it moves to the left side, its sign will be changed. Here it is minus, but at left side its sign is changed. That is become your plus. Now you will add it 500 plus 31. That is equals to 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 3, 3, and 5. This is your cost price. Again, second part, write down what is given. Selling price is given to you 685. Profit is given to you rupees 15. Again, when profit is given, there is no loss and you have to find the cost price. What is the formula of profit? That is equals to SP minus CP. Now write down the value of each. Profit equals to rupees 15. Selling price is given to you 685. Cost price is not given to you. Write down cost price. Now to find the cost price, you have to move it left side, and this profit will be moved to the right side. When it moves to the right side, its sign will be changed. It becomes your minus. Now you will subtract it. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 1 is your 7. 6 is your 6. This is the answer. Hope you will understand. If you have any problem, you will discuss at any time. Thank you and have a nice day.